All right, everybody, welcome back. We're all about finding the coolest AI tools to help you work smarter, and today we're taking a look at SalesAPE.ai.
SalesAPE.ai.
Yeah, we're always over at AI Agent Store checking out what's new, and this one caught our eye. So imagine like all those tedious sales tasks, the stuff that just eats up your time.
Right.
What if you could just make them disappear?
Poof.
Poof, gone.
Yeah, that's the dream.
Well, SalesAPE.ai claims they can do just that. They say you can instantly engage leads, qualified prospects, all through the power of AI.
Pretty impressive claims.
Right.
So how does it actually work?
So they use something called personalized AI-driven conversations. Now, you can't just send out those generic messages anymore.
No, nobody wants those.
Right. People want that personal touch. And SalesAPE.ai, they're trying to deliver that.
I see. So it's all about personalization.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
And think about it like this. You're getting flooded with inquiries.
Oh, yeah, that's a good problem to have.
It is a good problem, but it's still a problem.
Absolutely.
Right.
You got to manage all those leads.
You got to be on top of it.
Yeah.
So SalesAPE.ai acts like your 24/7 sales assistant.
I like that guy.
Right. A new lead pops up.
Boom.
Boom. SalesAPE.ai starts a conversation, makes them feel welcome, makes them feel important.
So no lead gets left behind.
No lead gets left behind.
That's important.
You don't want to be scrambling, trying to catch up with all those inquiries.
No, you got to strike while the iron's hot.
You got to strike while the iron's hot.
And fast response times are key.
Right. I was reading that faster response times lead to higher conversion rates.
Oh, absolutely.
There's data to back that up.
Yeah, the faster you can engage a lead, the more likely they are to convert.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
So you're not wasting time?
No wasted time.
No wasted time. You're making the most of every single lead.
That's the goal.
So I know a lot of people struggle with personalizing their outreach.
Yeah, it's time consuming.
It takes forever.
To do it right.
To do it right.
Yeah.
But SalesAPE.ai, they've got this cool feature. They actually analyze lead data.
From your CRM.
From your CRM.
That's smart.
So let's say you're using Salesforce.
Right.
They have a direct integration.
Yeah.
Pulls in the data and they tailor the message.
Wow.
So it's like it's speaking directly to that person.
So it's not just a one-size-fits-all approach.
Yeah, I know.
It's actually understanding who it's talking to.
Right.
That's impressive.
So for example,
Yeah.
If it's a big corporation, they might use more formal language.
Makes sense.
But if it's a small business owner, they might be a little bit more casual.
Yeah. Tailor the tone to the audience.
Exactly.
That's really cool.
So it's pretty slick.
It is. And you know what else is great? You don't have to do any manual data entry.
Right. You're not switching between platforms.
Everything's streamlined.
Everything's streamlined.
I love it.
And it keeps track of everything the interaction history.
So it's updating the records in Salesforce. Right.
Automatically.
Automatically.
That's amazing.
It can even trigger actions in Salesforce based on lead behavior.
Wow. So it's really like having a centralized hub for all your customer interactions.
It is. It is.
That's so powerful.
So it's not just about sending messages, it's about qualifying those leads.
Right. You got to figure out who's actually interested.
Who's ready to buy.
Exactly.
And SalesAPE.ai does that through a series of interactions.
So your sales team can focus on the hot leads.
The high-value prospects.
The ones that are ready to close.
The ones that are ready to go.
It's like having a super efficient assistant pre-screening everyone for you.
Right.
That's a game changer. Now, here's the big question. What does this mean for you?
Yeah, for our listeners.
For our listeners.
What's the takeaway?
What's the takeaway? Think about all those hours you spend on those repetitive tasks.
Yeah, the stuff that's eating up your time.
What if you could get that time back?
Oh, man.
And dedicate it to building relationships with your clients.
The ones that matter most.
The ones that are going to move the needle.
Yeah. Focus on the big picture.
That's the promise SalesAPE.ai is offering.
Work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder. You're not bogged down by the small stuff.
You're focused on what really matters.
You're focused on growing your business.
Absolutely.
So it's all about working smarter, not harder.
Imagine having the time to really understand your clients' needs.
Oh, yeah.
Offer them tailored solutions.
You build those relationships.
Yeah, that's where the magic happens.
That's where the magic happens.
Yeah.
All right, so there you have it. SalesAPE.ai.
Automating your lead engagement.
Qualifying your prospects.
Integrating with your CRM.
Like Salesforce.
A new time.
And boosting your sales.
What's not to love?
What's not to love?
So if you want to check it out.
Or you want to discover other amazing AI tools, head over to AIAgentStore.ai.
You won't regret it.
We'll see you in the next one.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.